Jose Andres Tepu. Ways to open and install their car. Freeze, get eject to lift the body of the car and take the case. Ignite and listen to open the car boy bit. Then open the bit on by on. The open the core tie. After that install the car test. The two install the car then take to the our balls and revolve. The balls that have been ramps, Elcar and Esther back to normal. Thank you.